Yes, can you hear me? Yeah. So last class topic is what?
Number system.
Yeah, I think data types concept is complete, right? Today class will go for the new topic, which is like Java operators. Java operators, we can see. Yeah, so before going to operators here, the Java operators concept. If you take the Java operator, 1 second. Yeah, Java operators, you can see. So see, generally we have the arithmetic operator, relational operators. Okay, arithmetic operators, relational operators, like that we have Java operators concept is there. Good. Arithmetic operators are there. So you can go for like this one. Yeah, so public static void mean A plus B is there, A minus B is there, A star B is there, A by B is there, A modular B is there, right? Exactly. Okay, this is basically like, arithmetic operators. So the basic operations here. You can save this code. You can save this code. So control is local disk D. In local disk D, the file is what? Test.java, right? Yeah, now code is compiled. Yeah. Just open the command prompt, local disk D. Java C, the application is what? Test.java. Means 20 plus pi, 25 minus B. What about like, A division? Division returns the quotient value, right? Division returns the quotient value. And but a reminder returns what? Yeah. The reminder returns what? Modular returns reminder, right? It returns the reminder, right? Exactly. Just you can save this code. Local disk compile is fine. Java the class is called what? Test class, right? Because we got the output is like 25, 20 plus by 25, 15 is here. And you can write 100, 25 is 100, right? A by B means what? 5 4 0. 5 4 0, 20 means what? Reminder 4, right? Reminder 4. And we got the, sorry, coefficient 4, right? And A modular B means what? 5 4 0, 20, reminder 0, right? Exactly. That's first one, guys. And if you take the second one, plus operator, you can take, okay. Yes, in this case, tell me 10 plus 20 is what? 30, right? 10 plus 20 means what? 30, right? Yeah, 10 plus 20 means 30 is there. I think two operands are integers, then plus performs addition operation, right? This addition operation. Ratan plus Anu means what? Ratan Anu, right? Ratan Anu means what? It performs the concatenation. So, plus is one operator, it's doing like an addition operation. Here it is doing like 10 plus 20 means 30. Ratan plus Anu means what? Ratan Anu, right? There is Ratan Anu or not. Sorry. Then how to compile Java execution, right? Java test. See guys. First case we got the output is 30. Second case we got the output is what? Ratan Anu, right? 30 and what? Ratan and Anu, right? Exactly. Get that information. Because after that, see next lines, if you check the output once. Yes. So 10 plus Anu is there, no? 10 plus Anu is there. Because 10 plus Anu means what happened here? 10 Anu will get the output. Yes, string plus any data, it will get the concatenation string, right? 10 plus any data, you will get the output is what? 10 only, right? 10 plus Anu means Anu. Anu plus 10.5 is what? Anu 10.5, right? Anu 10.5. This code is compiled fine. Java C test.java. Java the class is called which class, no? Java the class is called test class, right? We got the output is 30 Ratan Anu. Yeah, Ratan Anu, right? And 10 Anu 10.5, right? It's fine. Because next to two lines, if you see the output ones. So here, this is the data. This line, what's the output? Tell me now. 10 plus 20, Ratan plus Anu. Because 10 plus 20, Ratan plus what? Anu, right? What's the output now? Because 10 plus 20 means what? 30 will get output. Yes, 10 plus 20 means what? 30. 30, we got output is Ratananu, right? 30 Ratananu, that is fine. This line will get a 30 Ratananu. What is this line output now? Ratan plus Anu plus 10 plus 20. What is output now? Yes, Ratan plus Anu plus 10 plus 20.
Ratananu 30.
Yeah, Ratananu and what? 30, right? Very good. Yes, but here you will get the output is what, Ratananu is 30 is the wrong answer. The code is compiled fine. The other class is called test class. We got output is Ratananu 10, 20, you will get the output. Okay, Ratananu and what? 10, 20 is output, right? Because this is like, when you have the concatenation operation, plus operator, at a time it will take how many values? At a time it will take the two values, right? If at a time taking the two values means first these two values will be taken to perform the addition operation. Ratananu means what? Ratananu plus 10 plus 20, right? And Ratananu is what type of data? This Ratananu is what type of data? String data, na? Next to two operands means these two operands will be taken. These two operands means what? Ratananu 10 plus 20, right? Like this. Ratananu plus 10 plus 20 we have to take, right? Exactly. Next one is what? Ratananu. Ratananu 10 is what type of data? String, right? String plus again integer means what? Ratananu and what? 10, 20, right? Exactly. So you got the clarity, right? Ratananu 10, 20, right? Yes. Yes, code is compiled fine, code executed fine. We got the output is what? Ratananu and what? 10, 20, right? So we got the output is Ratananu and what? 10, 20, no? That's the data, guys. Okay, cool. Guys, next line. Next
Sir,
line. you
sir,
can tell me the
excuse me,
output
sir.
one. Tell me here.
Sir, having small doubt. You are not defined in the beginning that string and this integer. Is it necessary to define every time, or we can directly use this 10, 20
This is
Ratan?
normal data. By default, it will take the data. Like Ratan is there, na? Ratan, the 10 is the value you can take. Okay. 10 is the value. So this line, what is the output now? What I highlighted this line, what is the output now? Last two lines, what's the output?
Sir, Ratan 10, 20 Anu.
30 Ratan 5.
Yes, sir, 30 Ratan 5.
Last two lines, what's the output now? Last two lines. will get the output is what?
Ratan 10, 20 Anu and 30 Ratan 5.
5, right? Yeah. 10 plus 20 is 30. Ratan 5 will get the output, right? Yeah. Because code is compiled fine. Java say test.java. Code is compiled fine. Code executed fine. We got the Ratan 10, 20 Anu is output. 30 Ratan 5 is output, right? Exactly. So like combining like different types of data, right? Just combining what different types of data or not? Exactly. Because one more case you can see arithmetic operator, like BODMAS operator flow, operator precedence. If you take the operator's precedence, the first priority goes to brackets, right? First priority goes to brackets. Second priority goes to star division modular. Third priority goes to plus and minus. Third priority goes to what? Plus and minus, right? Exactly. Because first priority is like brackets. Second priority goes to star division modular. Third priority goes to plus and minus, right? Yeah. Some students are saying like BODMAS rule. BODMAS means what? Brackets of division, multiplication. BODMAS means what? Brackets of division, multiplication. Brackets of
Addition and subtraction.
Addition and subtraction, right? Exactly. Because if it is a BODMAS rule, remember that first priority parenthesis, second priority goes to star division modular, third priority goes to plus and minus. Based on this, can you please tell me what is the answer of this line? What is the answer for this line? Tell me what is the answer for this line? First priority goes to
Brackets, sir.
Classes.
So
And Ratan 25, Durga 6, Durga 3.
10 Ratan.
25.
25.
10 Ratan 25. Durga.
Durga
3.
6, 3, 3.
3.
Durga 6 or 3 now?
3, 3, sir.
Yeah, Durga will get a 3, right? Exactly. Durga and water. So you will get out this Durga and what? 3, right? Exactly. Okay, see the output once. Code is compiled fine. Java class is called what? Test class. We got output like 10. What's the output now? 10 Ratan.
10
20
Ratan, 25 Durga, 3.
Durga 3, right? You got the point, right? Ratan 10, 25, Durga and what? 3, right? Yeah, 10 Ratan, 25, Durga and what? 3, no? Okay, fine. That's 10. Please tell me second line answer. This line, what is the answer will be? This line, just we can use this one. Yeah, fine. Okay, this line, what is the answer will be? 10 plus Ratan. Guess what the answer now? 10 plus Ratan is there, plus 3 star 10 by 2, plus Durga, right?
10
10
Ratan,
Ratan, 15 Durga.
10 Ratan,
15 Durga.
Durga.
10 Ratan, 15 Durga, right? Okay,
Yeah.
fine. So we got output is simply 10 Ratan. Okay, 10 Ratan, 15 and what? Durga, right? Okay, can please save this code. Java C test.java. This code is compiled fine. Java class is called test class. 10 Ratan, 15 Durga, right? Okay, fine. So these two lines are okay. So you tell very correctly. So fine. So this line, what is output? Tell me now. This case here, you can see the output now. So here you can take the output. So 10 plus Anu, 3 star 4 by 2 minus 1 plus Ravya. This case, what is output now?
10 Anu, 5 Shravya. 10 Anu, 5
First
Shravya.
priority goes to brackets. Second priority goes to star division modular.
Of
Third
modules
priority
of
goes
stuff.
to plus and minus, right? Plus and minus, you get the last priority.
Yes, sir.
Plus and minus, you will get the last priority, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
First multiplication, 3 4s are 12.
By 2.
By to
By 2,
6.
6. Okay. After that,
think Anu 5.
yes, at least one person can be the correct answer for this line. What you are saying up to now is wrong answers.
Yes, sir.
10 Anu 5 Shravya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is wrong answer. That is for the wrong answer. What is the correct answer? Tell me fast. You got the point. Anyone can tell me the one person at least tell the correct answer here. Only we are doing the plus and minus operations. 5 10. Why Bhagya Lakshmi? Why 5 10 will get first? 5 why 5 starting why 5? 5 10. Where is the 5 first of all? 5 is wrong. No? 10 Anu. Oh my God, you are doing very calculation is completely wrong. Guys, this line will give the error message. Anyone, this line will get the error message. Sir, why, sir? You see, out of this one, first high priority operator is done, right? What is the high priority operator? Tell me. This is a
Multiplication and division.
then
Star
4
and-
3 is 6 you will get, right?
Yeah.
This is the actual
Sir.
line. You don't immediately 6 minus 1, right? Because plus and minus have the both are same priority, no? Plus and
Yeah.
minus are the same priority means the operation done from left to right. Left to right means what? 10 Anu first two lines plus 6 minus 1. Then you can make it as a plus tag, right? Yeah, first these two are done. Next one is what? 10 Anu 6. 10 Anu 6 means what? 10 Anu 6, right? Minus 1 plus tag, right? Yeah. Because 10 Anu 6 is what type of data? 10 Anu 6 is what type of data means? It is like no. Tell me, 10 Anu 6 is what type of data? It's like
String data.
String data. String minus 1 we can't write. We can't do the operation, right? String minus 1 is there. No? String minus 1 means operation possible, not possible. String minus 1 is not possible, right? That's what you will get error message simply. So what kind of error you will get here? Code is compiled fine. So okay, fine. It's not compiled anymore. Where the compilation error. It's saying that bad operand types for binary operator is what? Minus, right? Because bad operand types is for the binary operator is what? Minus. This is a bad operand type. Between the first type is what? String type. The second type is what? Integer type, right? String and integer, we can't use the minus, right? String and integer, we cannot use the minus value. Statement is clear now? Yeah, that is a value, guys. Yeah, that is called.
టీచర్ గారు ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నారు క్లాస్ మధ్యలో.
The first one is what?
టీచర్ గారు ఫోన్లు.
Yeah, first one is what? Arithmetic operator, basic operations we done. Second example, we done the plus operator, concatenation with the string data. If two operands are integer, then plus performs what? Addition operation. That's what plus is overloaded operator in Java. If two operands are integers, then it will perform addition operation. If at least one operand is a string, then plus performs what? Concatenation, right? Yes, plus performs what? Concatenation or not? Exactly. Okay, that is the data here. Just you can take the code like this. Then if any data with the concatenation string, fine. Case 3, we are talking about the BODMAS rule. First priority goes to the brackets. First priority goes to what? Brackets. Second priority goes to what? Star division modular. Third priority goes to what? Plus and minus, right? Exactly. The second one is a relational operator. Because if we take the relational operator returns the Boolean value. Okay, fine. If the relational operator returns what? Boolean value. So like greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal, right? Yes. So no, greater than or equal to. A greater than B, A less than B, A greater than or equal to B, A less than or equal to B. Okay. So A double equal to B, A not equal to B, right? Okay. This is called which operator here? Arithmetic operator, no? Yes. Guys, if it is arithmetic operator, then code is compiled fine. Sorry, relational operators, right? Relational operators. Relational operators return type is what? Tell me guys, relational operator return type is what?
Boolean.
Relational operator return type is the Boolean, right? That's what you can see. Java C, the application is what? Test.java. Code is compiled fine. Code we got the execution. We got the output is a true, false, false, true, right? Okay, depends on the value. We'll get the true, false, something like that, right? Exactly. Okay, but see, for example, we can write the case 2 here. This is like case 1 relational operator return the Boolean value. This is like, case 1 I can write. And if we take the case 2, because if we take the case 2, then what is a case 2 says that, test.java is there, no? Okay, because I have the two strings actually. Because if you take the two strings, the string S1 equal to something like, Ratan is there. Yeah, string S1 equal Ratan is there. Next one is what? String S2 equal to, tell me, string S2 equal to what? I can have the Durga. Otherwise Ratan only. Because both data, same data, different data. Both are same data. But when we have the S1 double equal to S2, guys, S1 double equal to what? S2. We simply can compile this code. Code is compiled. Code executed. Fine. Because we got the true. We got the true, right? Yeah. But in general, when we have the string data, when we have the new string of like this, now when we have the string data like this, in this case, double equal to operator, it will not work. Double equal to operator, return the false now. This is also string object. That's what make sure that double equal to operator will perform the comparison of only what type of data? Comparison of only what type of data? Only primitive data. But string is a primitive data or string data? String data, right? Okay, string data to perform the comparison of two strings is always recommended to use the dot equals method. S1 dot equals of, tell me guys, S1 dot equals of what? S2. The string data comparison. To perform the comparison of string data, we can go for the dot equals method. Statement is clear, right? S1 dot equals of what? S2, right? Exactly. There is a data, guys. Then we'll get the output is what? True. Guys, we'll get the output is what? True, right? Code is compiled, code executed. But if you take the string str1 equal to something like, Durga. Okay, Durga. And so string str2 equal to also string str2. But here you can have the Durga like this, right? Durga is there. So the system dot out dot println of, then we can write the message str1 dot equals of str2. If str1 dot equals of str2 means, then this case, what is output now? Is both strings are equal or not equal?
False.
Both are
Not
not equal,
equal.
right?
Yeah.
False. That's what you'll get. The second value is what? False, right? Okay, code is compile fine. Code execute when false. But data almost data same, right? That's what only case sensitive is different. That's what I want to compare the data. I want to compare the data, by ignoring the case. And tell me how can we ignore the case? Tell me no. Equals we can ignore case method is there. Yes, equal ignore case method is there. Equals ignore case str2 is there, no? Fine. Yes, next line you'll get the output is what? Equals spelling wrong, yeah, equals ignore case is there, no? Okay, fine. There's Java C test.java. Code is compiled fine. Java class is which class, no? Test class, right? We got the output is true now. Yes. So we understood that double equal to operator we can for the data comparison only for the primitive data we can use. Guys, data comparison double equal to operator is there, right? To compare the primitive data, just to compare the primitive data, primitive data means what? Data types, right? Byte, short, int, long, float, double like this. To compare the primitive data, use double equal to operator. Okay. Yeah, double equal to operator we have to use. But to compare what? To compare the which data guys here? String data. To compare the string data, use what? Dot equals method, right? Yes, dot equals method. Remember that point. Because string is not a data type, string is a class, right? We know that string is not a data type, it is a class. It is a class means what? To compare the data, equals method we have to use. Primitive data we can use double equal to operator, right? That is okay. Primitive data, can you please use the double equal to operator? In case of string data, can you please use what? Dot equals method, because double equal to operator only for the primitive purpose. For the data, class object purpose, you can go for the equals method. I think you got the clarity, right? The more explanation about that. There's a case one and a case two, guys. Is it clear now? There's relational operators. The third operator, like bitwise operator, guys. If you take the bitwise operator, I hope you know last class is 8421 code, right? You have the 8421 code. In this case, 1010. 1010 means what? Which flags are enabled? 8421. 8 is enabled here. 1. 2 is enabled, right? 1. 8 plus 1 is how much? 8 plus 2, sorry. 8 plus 2 means how
10,
much?
sir.
Here? 10, right? Yeah. Guys, here 1101, 13. We know this, right? Yeah. In bitwise operator, we'll go for bitwise AND is there, bitwise OR is there. This is like negation, tilde symbol is there. Yeah, this is called bitwise AND. This is called bitwise OR. This is called negation, right? Fine. But what the meaning of the AND? Guys, please respond. What the meaning of the AND?
Which joins two sentences.
Yeah,
Something.
AND means what? AND. While checking the conditions, right? While checking the conditions, we have the AND. What's the meaning of the AND?
So it will check for both. If first is
AND means what?
false,
Both conditions true, then it in the true, right? Guys, AND means the meaning is what? Both conditions are true, then it in the true. That is AND. R means what? Anyone is true, then it in the true. Yes, R means what? Anyone is true, then it in the true, right? Because the difference between AND and R is what? AND means what? Tell me, guys, AND means what? Both are true, then written the true. AND. R means what? Anyone is true, then written the true, right?
yes.
Yeah. That's what, guys. Here, if we take the data, AND means what? Both are true, then written the true. Remaining truth table, no? So this truth table basically. So true means what? Here true. Remaining all cases false. R means what? Anyone is true, then written the true. That is fine, right? Yeah. Anyone is true, then written the true. Yes, or no? Anyone is true, then written the true, right? Okay, fine. But if we go for AND operator, yeah, this is AND and R, no? Because here true is there, true false is there. Here I tend to simply like 1 is there, 1 is there, and what? 1 0 is there, 1 1 1 0 0 1 and what? 0 0, right? That's fine. I written the message like AND means all are true, then written the true, right? Yeah. Okay, generally, when you have the AND operations, we can take the data like this. Okay, 10 and 7. Because 10 and 7 means the meaning of 10 and 7, right? 10 and 7 means you write the bitwise value for the 10. The bitwise value for what? 10. Sorry, we can write the code test.java. No? Yeah, we need to write the value for the 10 and 7. Because 10 and 7 means first you need to write the bitwise value for the 10. Because 10, what is the bitwise value? Because 10, what is the bitwise value?
1010.
1010. 7 bitwise value is how much? 7 bitwise value. Bit bind
0
and
double 0
Zero.
triple 1
1
triple
right?
1.
Yes. Now we have to apply which operator and or we have to apply the and, right? And means what the meaning of and?
True.
Yeah.
Both are
Both
true.
are true and written the true, right?
Yes, sir.
0,
Yeah.
0, 1, 0.
0 0 1
1 0
Yeah. 0 0 1 0. What is the value?
2, sir.
So bitwise calculations, if you apply the and 10 and 7 means you will get the output is what? 2, right? As web applications level, we will not use this kind of stories. Only circuit designing level, AND gates and NOR gates, OR gates are there, right? Circuit designing level, they'll use this type of stories actually. Okay. So you got the point or not? Yes, if you run this code, just open the command prompt, CLS, Java test.java. Code is compiled fine, code executed fine. We got the output is 2, right? Yes. I will give one more line. You try to calculate and tell me the answer. Here you can write 13 and 6. What the answer for 13 and 6? 13 and 6. What is the answer? Write the value for the 13. Write the value for the 6. Write the value for 13 and write the value for the 6 and try to apply what? AND operation, right? Exactly. Tell me here, I think you know that lines already, previous examples, now. You know that lines already. 8
Four.
1 code,
Sir,
right?
0100 value is
Fine, fine.
4.
Answer, tell me.
4, sir. 4, sir.
0 1
Answer.
yes.
Answer 4, sir.
Answer, you get the 4, right? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So you can save this code. So Java test.java, execute fine. 2 4, right? Very good. Then do one thing. Can you please write the value for 5 R operation you can do. What the meaning of R? 5 or 9. Meaning of R means what? Anyone is true, then written the true, right?
Yes, sir.
Anyone is true, then written the true. Now tell me the answer.
Thirteen, sir. Answer is 13.
13 sir.
13. Hello?
Yeah, 13, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
13.
yeah, 13 is the answer, right? Exactly. Guys, everyone, can you please join the class using the same link, Zoom link, and the next, okay. Next, up to completion of your course, the same link will be there, okay? Yeah. So you can run this code, so then you can compile the code Java test.java. What is compiled? What is the answer you're saying? 5 or
13,
9?
sir.
13.
13.
Clear, right? Yes. Next one, you can write the code for last one. You can write the 14R. 14R what? 14R 8 you can write. 14R 8 means what the answer now? Write the value for the 14. 14 means what the value, tell me? 14 means I think 8, 4.
14, sir. 14.
1 this one, huh? 110.
110, 1000.
1000, right? R means what?
110.
Anyone is to then written the true. True.
110.
0, right? Triple 10 means what? 14, right? Exactly.
Yes, sir.
So that is called bitwise calculations, guys. Bitwise unknown what? Bitwise R. You got the clarity, right? Bitwise unknown what? Bitwise R, right? That information. So clear now? Yeah. Yes,
Yes.
and means what? All conditions are true, then return the true. Remember the point. R means what? Anyone is true, then return the true, right? Exactly. This code is there. Just you can try to write output for these lines. Fine. Good. Next one is like, yes, here you can see the output. Now the interviewer experienced people will have this kind of questions, guys. Yeah, see, first case, Andy can go for the bitwise calculations, right? 10 and 6, no? 10 and 6 is there, 12 or 11 is there. Anyhow, for these two lines, what we will do? We can write some, tell me, for the first two lines, what we will do? We will write some bitwise values and you will get the output is which format? Guys, we will write some bitwise values and you will get the output is which format? Integer format, right?
Integer format.
Format, integer format or not? Yeah, you will get output is integer format, right? Exactly. Because you will get the output is what? The integer format, no? But what about below case you can see? 10 greater than 20 and 30 less than 40. I think this is called false and true. False and true means what output now? False, right? False and true means we got the output is what? False. And what about this one here? 10 less than 20. True. True and this is called false. True or false. True or false means what?
True.
True, right? Yeah. Then you get the output is what? True and false. First one is what? False and the second one is a true, right? False and true, we'll get output. Yes. That's what bitwise calculations return the value like integer format. Yes, bitwise calculations return the value is what? Integer format. Logical calculations, you get return value is Boolean. So bitwise operator can return how many return values? Single return value, two different return values. Yes, bitwise operator, if it is doing the bitwise calculations, the return type is integer. Bitwise calculation, sorry. Bitwise operator, if you are doing the logical calculations, means return value is what? Boolean, right? Then here you got the clarity, right? You got the Boolean value. Or not? That is information, guys. That's what if you run this code, first two lines you will get output is integer value. Next two lines you will get output is what? Boolean value, right? Yeah, that is called what? So we understood that bitwise operator, we can go for the bitwise calculations as well as we can apply the normal condition check also. You get the point, right? Normal condition check also. That's what here I written the note. Bitwise operator can return the two return values. One is the integer value. If the calculations are bitwise calculations, then it returns the integer. If the calculations are logical condition check, then it return the Boolean, right? Exactly. Is it clear now? Yeah. Yes, next one is a tilde symbol. Yes, tilde is like, we change the sign. Tilde 1, 2, 3 is there, no? This is like positive 123. Because if it is a positive 123, okay. Because if it is a positive 123, no? If it is 123 positive value is there, fine. Then what happened? Then tell me. Change the sign. Negative. This is a positive value, no? Positive value means plus 1 you can add and change the sign. Plus 1 and change the sign means what? Here you get the minus 124. This is a negative 123. Negative 123 means then what happened here? Change the, like, negative 123 means what? Decrease the 1, change the sign. Decrease 1 means what? 122 minus, right? Sorry, plus, right? Yes. Okay, this is the positive number now. Increase one value, change the sign. This is a negative number now. Decrease one value, change the sign. Increase one value, change the sign. Decrease the one value, change the sign, right? We got those like minus 124. Then second one is what? 122, right? That is called negation, tilde symbol, guys. Generally you can call it as a negation or tilde symbol, right? Yeah, that is called bitwise operators. Because we got the three different operators. First one is what? Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, we done the three cases. Next one is a relational operator. Relational operator, we done the two cases. And bitwise operator. Bitwise operator, we can apply the bitwise calculations as well as normal condition check also. You got the point, right? Yeah, here also we done the two cases, no? This is like, case one we can write. And this is like, case two, right? Two cases. Case one, case two, and we can go for this is the case, right? Three cases we done. Three possibilities, right? Yes. Yes, you got the point or not? That's it. Because last one is we'll discuss about the assignment operator today. Because assignments are two types of normal assignment and augmented assignment. Okay, there are two types of assignments. For the two types of assignments, tell me normal assignment and augmented assignment, right? That's what the normal assignment here. Yes, normal assignment is what? Into value equal 10, right? This is called normal assignment. Into value equal 10, normal assignment. What is the augmented assignment here? The augmented assignment is what? Where we have the chance, like, I want to increment this value by plus 10. Value initially 25. I want to increment the value by plus 10. Then you can write the value equal value plus 10, right? That this value is incremented by plus 10 or not. For that, we have to write the value equal to val plus 10. First means you are incrementing, then you are assigning the resultant value to the val, right? Exactly. Value equal val plus 10. Because here, instead of writing value equal val plus 10, we have to write like val plus equal to 10. Because we have to write what? Val plus equal 10, right? Because val plus equal 10 is nothing but val equal what? Val plus 10, right? Exactly. You got the point, right? Val equal val plus 10, right? Yeah, val equal val minus 4 is there. Val minus equal to 4. Val equal val by 2. Val by equal to 2, right? Yeah. Don't give the space in the plus and minus. Plus and equal to, sorry. Plus and equal, don't give the space. This is a single statement. Plus minus. This is called augmented assignment, right? Next classes, when you got the chance to write the value equal val plus 10, we have to write val plus equal 10. No? Yeah, that is called augmented assignment. Fine. This is a case one. Yes, case two, can you please tell me what the answer? Yeah, this one is what the answer now. This is the case two. Yeah. Yeah, this case what the answer now. You guys can hear me. This case, what is the answer?
Nine.
A is equals to 11. Sorry. 11.
11,
8.
8, 30.
8,
3. 11, 8, 30.
And 3.33.
Nine, 0.
11, 8, 33, 1.
mm,
990.
Guys, we got the output is what? 990 may be correct answer. I was saying 990, that 990 may be correct answer. Yeah, 990 is correct answer. Because 10 plus 1 is what? 11, right? 11 minus 2 is what? 9, 9, right? First one is 9. Here 9 a value. Fine. Then 9 threes are how much here? 9 threes are 27. 27 by 3 means what? Again 9, right?
9,
9 modular 3 means what? 3 threes are 9, right? 3 threes are 9
Zero.
means modular how much here? Modular returns a remainder, right? Remainder is how much here? 0, right? Exactly. There's a remainder is how much now? 0 or not? That we got the output is what? 9, 9 and what? 0, right? Exactly. Yes, you got the point, right? Yes. Yes, today we done like 3 operators. What are 3 operators we done? Arithmetic operators we done. What's our class notes link? CJ. Tell me, CJ 9 PM, right? Yeah. Because we are starting like 3rd chapter now. The chapter number 3. This is like, operators, right? Operators. The chapter one introduction part we done. Chapter one is all about introduction. This is like, chapter one, we are talking about introduction, right? Intro. Chapter two, we are talking about the data types. What are the data types are there in the Java, the data types. And chapter three, you are talking about what operators, right? Yes. Just I'm placing the notes, check the notes. Just meet in tomorrow class, will continue.